Alright, so this bedroom's all done. Got my nightstand, dresser drawer. Probably gonna get some stuff to go in here. Cleaned all this out. Got the fish tank out, the stand, the water dragons enclosure, and got the carpet rolled up. Neighbors took a bunch of stuff. They took the aquarium, the stand, the carpet. I had a dresser drawer right here. Took that out. And I swept the floor. I've got some of this Zep hardwood floor cleaner that I'm going to use in here, but they're rough. They're really rough. The aquarium leaked a little bit on one tank I had, so it's a little bit wet, but I'll have to, sand them and refinish them. I'm definitely going to be washing the walls down. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow. Got the gun safe. Still need to put some organization into that. And then I'm going to take apart this desk and order a new desk with a filing cabinet to use all those with. And I can probably keep those metal ones because it's a pretty big desk. So I actually need to measure what the new one is, because it's okay if it goes past the window, that's fine. And then we're gonna get like a bookshelf, only I'm gonna put all my DVDs and VHS stuff in there. So and then we'll get a rug in here too. I'm not gonna have a rug that has to go underneath the safe or has to go underneath the desk, so it won't be too big, but definitely need to refinish these floors. They look horrible, and the wall's going to look really good once we get it painted and washed. There was the door knob hit that and caused a hole, and I patched that up. I got to sand it, and then I got the door back on. It's filthy, but I got the door back on. Need to adjust some of the screws on the hinges so that it'll shut all the way. So that's it for this room. We'll get it painted and then everything's set up, and then I'll probably make another video of that.